Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 2021 BMW M5, and this is by Hot Wheels from their premium series, and this is specifically from the pop culture series, and this is more specifically to the movie Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning. And yeah, so I bought this for MRP, which is 549. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay, I accidentally cut the card this time. Let me try. Okay, I think I made it. So here it is. So here is the card art. I hope you guys can see it fully now. It does look really good. Let me put it aside. Okay, let's talk about this casting now. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice, and it has this kind of maybe this is kind of this elephant gray paint job. If you ask me. So okay, they went with the matte black on the top for the roof. It has a shark fin antenna here, which is really nice. So this time they really nailed this particular part, because usually when it comes to this glossy black or matte black, they mess up a lot, but this time it looks really nice. At least on mine it looks really nice for first time. And it has headlight details, and it has grill details here. You can see the number plate also here. So this looks really nice, and you can see the BMW logo here. So it has door handles as well, but it is a bit embossed, but it doesn't have that much depth like the Porsche had. So here you have the fuel filler cap, and it has tail light details as well, and you can see the number plate on the rear as well. Those are all these things are painted, nothing is like acrylic or something like that. And so it is a full metal casting, since it's a premium full metal body, full metal chassis has a little bit of, okay, it does have good detailing here, that is really nice. And it has rear view mirrors here. It does have some interior detailing here, but the problem is, again, the windows are tinted in black, light black. So I hope you guys can able to see this at least a little bit better than me while you are watching the video. So that is really nice. And so it has rubber wheels, and it doesn't have any threading here. The Porsche actually had. So these wheels are actually similar too. So unfortunately I don't have my setup here, I mean my original setup. But if you guys remember the Lamborghini Essenza, and even the Barbie Corvette, even the other Corvette which I unboxed, both are same Corvettes, but just a different livery. So all these cars actually had this exact rims. So this is not really new to this premium segment, but at least it matches this particular casting. So let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 52 grams, not bad. Okay, let's see if it rolls. Okay, it does have a little bit of wheel wobble on the front wheel. Let's see the rear wheel this time. Yeah, the both wheels wobble actually a lot, but again, premiums are not track specific, so we are not going to consider that one. So let's rate this casting now. So as far as the detailing goes, it has all the necessary details which we look in a casting, and more specifically, since it's a premium, it must have all the detailings, and it does have all the detailings to it. And I personally love the chassis detailing here, that is really nice. So I don't see any issue with this casting. So it has everything here. So I'm not going to reduce any points for this. So I would go for 10 out of 10 for this casting as well. So I think it's the first time we are actually given 10 out of 10, for 2 consecutive days. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.